Welcome to the third and last module of this week, and the name of this module is Designing Facebook Advertising Campaigns. As the name suggests, under this module, our focus will be on understanding the fundamentals of Facebook advertising campaigns. I will demonstrate you how to create the Facebook advertising campaigns using Facebook Advertising Manager. Under this module, you will specifically learn what is Facebook Ad Manager, how to use and navigate the Ad Manager, how to set up Facebook ad campaigns in Ad Manager. I am very eager to show you how to design the Facebook advertising campaigns using the Facebook Advertising Manager. Firstly, I will design a dummy campaign to understand various aspects of campaign designing. So let us start. Log into your Business Manager account by going to business.facebook.com. First of all, we have to select the business account that was created by us in our previous module. As you know, we created the DMOOC business, so I will select it. This is my business account, DMOOC, and we will create our advertising campaign under this account. Go to left top corner, click on these three lines, go to Create and Manage, and click Ad Manager. This is the interface of Ad Manager, and we have to use it for designing of ad campaigns. You can see Facebook has also ad account structure similar to the Google Ads with some variations. Here, first we have the account level, then we have the campaigns, then ad sets, and lastly the ads. I hope you already know about what is campaign, ad sets, and ads that we have discussed in Google Ads. Here, at the top of all, you can see there is one button, Switch to Previous Version. Actually, Facebook has changed its Ad Manager interface recently. If you want to use the older version, then you can use this switch option. But in the present course, I will teach you the latest version only so that you won't face any problem in the future. Let us create our first campaign. Click on Campaign, then click on Create. You will see this type of window. This window is used for quick creation of campaigns. Once you will expert in campaign designing, then you can quickly use this window to create the campaigns. However, we have to learn the campaign designing from scratch, so we will not use this option, rather we will switch to the guided creation. In the guided creation, we will be guided at every step of campaign designing by the Facebook with so many details and suggestions. Click on Switch to Guided Creation. This is the campaign interface where we will complete our campaign designing. On the left hand side, you can see the complete flow chart of our campaign designing process. And it will keep us reminding at which stage of campaign designing process we are. Right now, we are at campaign level and we have to set the objectives. Similar to Google Ads, in the Facebook, we have to set the objectives of our campaign first, before we proceed further. Broadly, we have three types of objectives like awareness, constitution, and lastly the conversions. Each type of objective has further subtypes to make our campaigns very targeted and specific. We will talk about most of the objectives during the campaign designing process. For the present campaign, I would like to select the brand awareness as an objective of our campaign. It simply means we want to promote our brand. The moment I selected the objective, few more campaign settings appeared. Let us see what these settings are. Firstly, we have to give the name of our campaign. I will keep it as my first brand awareness campaign. Next, we have to create the split test. This is the A/B testing. If you make it on, you will be able to compare the different ad formats, creative, placements for better strategy formulation. For the time being, let it be unchecked. Next, we have the campaign budget optimization. If you make it on, your total budget will be optimized across all ad sets. For the time being, let it be unchecked. Click Continue. So this was the basic interface of Ad Manager. We have initiated the process of designing the Facebook advertising campaigns. We will continue this process in the next video. Just join me there.